is ripping.
My tummy hurts.
Pretty good, right now.
All right, guys, what's going on? October 15th here, 6:54 p.m. And market's gapped up and then just kind of trading sideways now. We'll go to our friend the VIX here. Let me get my Epic pen out, of course. And we had something going here. We close under this line, but you got to know this line isn't super perfect. So we maybe close under it, but we never close under 16, I don't think. What was the low here? We closed at 1609, and we broke 16, and then we popped back above. And we hit 20 again and failed, and now we're sitting at 1932. So where do we go from here? It's tough. We're getting another daily squeeze on the VIX. Everything is bullish on the VIX, and then the 4-hour is losing momentum. You can see that. So that's a good thing, I guess. But we're also, you can see the momentum as far as everything else is gaining. So keep an eye on that. Let's see where that goes this week. We are monthly expiration, and we do have tech earnings this week. We have Tesla and Netflix, and then we have what's his face next week? Everybody else: Apple, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, all the big boys. Okay, so yeah, that's the VIX. ES is, we got a ready aim on a 4-hour. Momentum itself is down. Momentum on a daily still chugging higher, forming a squeeze. You got a ready aim on a weekly. Momentum's down. All right. And then any squeezes? We got some shorter term squeezes, mixed signals. A lot of mixed signals so far. NQ, same weekly squeeze above the 21 on its weekly. You see this downtrend that I thought we were going to hit last week, but we didn't. We're holding the 21 now. We did close it under it on Friday. The 4 hours, it's kind of the same momentum down. Squeeze looks like it's trying to fire short. Yeah, no real clear signal there either. Shorter term squeeze is 15 and 20. The dollar, I believe, is still chugging. Let me move this here. Give me 1 second, guys. Oops, cancel.
Order submitted.
All right. The dollar, I don't know why the dollar's candle is still looking like this, but it is what it is. Okay. So dollar hit the 21 on a daily pullback there. Nice sell signal, and now we're chugging back higher. All right. Bitcoin is up 395. Nothing to see there. Crude oil is at 87. You got some momentum shift there if you're trading crude oil. And look at Russell real quick. Russell's holding this low, but you can see that bigger downtrend on Russell. And the Dow kind of also the weaker. Russell weak, then the Dow, and then the other two guys. All right. Look at tech earnings or tech stocks. It looks like if you do this, we kind of hit that or almost hit it. Yep. We got earnings here coming up. Be interested to see what that does. Daily squeeze did fire long, but not really much follow through. Mixed signals also on that. I think everything's gonna have nothing is like clear. We rallied and then Friday we puked, so you're not gonna see a clear chart. Carnival Cruise Line after it's pushed all the way to 19, all the way back down to 12. Google triple sell signal on the daily over a couple weeks. Also has earnings, no squeezes, shorter term squeezes, and those kind of look bearish. I feel like everything's gonna be like that. Microsoft, we're gonna pop and then drop because of Friday, which messes up all the momentum and stuff. Nvidia's probably gonna look the same. Yep. Tesla. Yep. Tesla weaker. Okay. We'll keep it nice and short this week. Let's pull up the earnings calendar because it's earnings season, so that's what we're pretty much gonna see. This is earnings for the week. Tomorrow we have Charles Schwab. Tuesday before open, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs. Wednesday before open, Morgan Stanley. And then Tesla and Netflix will start the big boys after close on Wednesday. And everything else, not much market mover. So that's what that is. And then for news, tomorrow we got Empire State Manufacturing Index at 8:30. FOMC Harker speaks at 10:30 and again at 4:30. Tuesday we have retail sales. That's it for USA. Actually, just do US. Nothing. So a bunch of wow, a lot of people are speaking on Wednesday. Thursday, more a lot of FOMC this week. Unemployment. Powell speaks at 12 p.m. And then Friday, more member speakers. So a lot of members this week, earnings this week, and then next week earnings as well. So be careful if you're trading. See money, take money is the motto this year. I'll keep it short. I'll upload this and I'll see you members in the room. No real clear direction based on VIX and the indexes. I think everything is going to be waiting on what Tesla and Netflix does and what everyone does next week. So you guys have a good one. Have a good week. Trade safe. We'll see you next week.